guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. So in today's video I will be showing you a makeup look which you can wear to your college, your tuitions. This is a basic everyday makeup look. So if you're interested in watching this tutorial, then please keep on watching. So first, whenever you're stepping out, definitely do not forget your sunblock or sunscreen. So today I will be using the VLCC sunscreen. This is a cream gel sunscreen which has SPF 50 in it. So today I am going to mention 3 products, which is primer, concealer and powder, which is optional. If you do not like to wear this, definitely you can skip it. You can apply some highlighter, some blush, some lipstick and some mascara, and you can definitely fill in your brows. But I am giving you some options. If you want, you can try this. So for primer today I will be using the Nivea Aftershave Balm. As I mentioned, this is optional, you can definitely skip it. But if you apply any concealer or any foundation, I would recommend using a primer. You can definitely go ahead and use a foundation matching your skin tone, be it a heavy coverage, but I would recommend using a sheer coverage foundation for your college. And it looks good, but a heavy coverage foundation in your college, it looks really awkward. So I am using a concealer just to conceal my under eyes, because I have dark circles, and I'm just going to show you how you can cover your dark circles with this concealer. So this is the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Pure Beige. Just take a little bit product, apply it under your eyes. And if you have any spots, you can definitely cover it up. You can see I have a pimple right here, so I'm going to cover this up. Some spots here and there. You can blend this with your finger, but I would recommend using a brush or a beauty sponge for that. And you can definitely go for Forever 21 makeup sponge, but this is the pack one, so I'm using this. Just pat it and blend it in. Now you can go ahead and apply some powder. I am using the Lakme 925 Prime Plus Matte Powder Foundation. You can use any compact powder or loose powder to set your concealers. Or if you're applying foundation, then you can set it with a powder, loose powder or a compact powder. You can apply this all over your face if you want. As I mentioned, these 3 things were optional. I know a lot of you guys do not like wearing makeup to your college. Personally, me too. But there are a lot of people who love wearing makeup, so this is just for you guys. The next thing I will be doing is filling in my brows with the Sigma Brow Powder Duo. If you're someone new to makeup, then definitely go for brow powders. The next thing I will be using is a blusher, and you can definitely skip it, but I would recommend using a simple subtle blush. It just makes you look very pretty. So today I will be using the Lakme 925 Weightless Matte Mousse Lip and Cheek color. You can use this as your blush and lipstick. I'm gonna also use this as my eyeshadow. First I'm taking the product on the back of my hand and taking it on the sponge. Just smile and blend it. I'm going to apply the same thing on my crease. I am applying that with my PAC 213 brush, taking a little bit of this on the brush and then on the crease. Apply that on your eyelids. And the next thing you will do is applying the same compact all over the crease so that it stays for a longer time. Now I will just curl my eyelash. This is again optional. I love doing this when I was in college. It just gives me a really nice fluttery look. And then I will apply some mascara. I love using this Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara. So I would highly recommend. Now I'm going to apply this Wet n Wild Nude Eyeliner Pencil. This one retails for ₹135 and you can definitely buy this and apply it to make your eyes look bigger. The next thing I will be applying is a highlighter. So I will be using this YBP Color Cream in the shade Goddess. I'm gonna apply this with my beauty blender. You can apply this with your fingers as well. And I will be applying the same highlighter on my inner corners as well. And lastly, the lipstick. So guys, that's it for today's video, and if you guys want me to do other videos like this, do let me know in the comment section below. And if you have any other recommendations for any other videos, do let me know in the comment section below. I would love to do that for you guys. And if this video helped you, do not forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I hope to see you again on my next video. Till then, take care, love you all. Bye guys.